What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering what you can expect in the last two trading days of the week. Remember, the market is closed on Monday, so we're also going to be covering what we can expect headed into next week. Volume, technical analysis, all that is coming in hot. For AMC, we have over 300 million in volume. That is nearly topping the volume we saw back in January. GameStop is picking back up, trading in accordance, something we have not seen in a while with AMC. They are trading together. The sector, the meme sector, is back. It's lit. What can you expect? Let's get right into it. I think some people are asking, is this the squeeze? Quite frankly, I do not think this is the squeeze. I think this is very retail driven. And when you have a choppy market with the NASDAQ being really unstable with inflation fears rising, and you see stocks like this up, you have all of these people who stood on the sidelines for months waiting for that volume, that confirmation to come in, all just pouring in at a one time. This is very retail driven. Can AMC hit $20, $30 in the next couple days, possibly next week? Yes. As for GameStop, can we go to 300? Yes. Do these stocks look overextended, a little overbought, and can they have potential to pull back? Yes. The question is, how strong is that strength? How much of this attention is here to stay? Keep in mind, with high volume days like these on AMC and GameStop, you tend to see these parabolic moves. So I think if that volume continues, if that attention still remains over the weekend and things don't cool down, expect this to break the 52-week high. Expect to see GameStop, after announcing their NFT projects based off Ethereum, to nearly top at 280. One of the last things you want is these things to just go parabolic. Why? Because they're followed by nasty drops in which spook people. It's like we said when we shot up to $14. If there is a situation where AMC does pull back and it consolidates and it holds ground, holds support for days, that is not a bad sign. This stock can pull back to 15, still hold above that previous resistance, and still continue the uptrend. It can still continue to go up. This is just testing the strength that this stock has built, as well as GameStop. GameStop could drop to 220 right now and still continue the uptrend. The uptrend is there. The catalysts are coming. As for AMC, I think people are still going to go back to the movies. You guys know I love the movies, which was one of the first reasons I bought this stock. Netflix sucks. AMC ain't going anywhere. People are getting vaccinated. They're going to get their asses back in the movies. You guys also probably saw the news on AMC as to why B. Riley downgraded to neutral AMC from the price target of $16. These hedge funds are going up, or these institutions are basing this off of fundamentals, the enterprise value, the market cap. They look at all of that. I know they've been hyping this up. They've been raising the price targets, and they say, hey, I think this is worth 16 bucks. When you're talking about technicals and you're talking about a squeeze, the fundamentals don't mean shit. Look at GameStop. The fundamentals do not mean anything at this point, especially for some of the other of these meme stocks. It does not mean anything at all. This can continue to go parabolic. These price targets don't matter. Look at that one guy who put 1 penny price target on this. That's just stupid. When you put something stupid out like that, that tells me you're shorting the crap out of the stock. That's all that tells me. As for hedge funds shorting the crap out of these stocks, they're going to continue to short this. If this goes to 20 plus, I will not be surprised to see them ride this back down to support, cover their positions, rebuy back in, and just keep on playing the cycles. Don't fall for these headlines telling you that they're down 700 million. Sure, they might be down, but at the end of the day, I think they're profiting on both sides, and they're having fun trading GameStop and AMC. Both of these stocks can continue to consolidate at pretty high levels headed into some of the big upcoming catalysts, such as the shareholder meetings, the earnings, the proxy vote for AMC, in which I know you guys don't want to hear, but be realistic. This is a business. This isn't a casino. This is an actual company that needs to survive. The possible re-entry of, I know you don't want to hear the D word, dilution. If that comes back in, obviously people have to assess the situation of what they're going to need for capital wise. I know they have some pretty high debt, in which I think if they're smart and they copy GameStop and they pay off some of that debt, that high interest debt, that is a smart chess move by Adam Aaron. Adam Aaron, man, pay off some of that debt. Clean up the balance sheet just like GameStop did, and that will look amazing for the stock. He needs to do that. Adam Aaron, I believe, he did make a mistake before. He caused me to sell. Adam Aaron, you caused me to sell, you sucker. But now don't make the same mistake. Understand the apes. I know you've been following them on Twitter. Read the room and understand what they want. Don't come back with the 500 mil. Come back with something reasonable and have a plan. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Put out the data, read it, analyze it, and then we come to our conclusions. So that's pretty much it. Stay up, stay. I know people are printing some tendies. The hard part with this is the people who all have different averages, the people who are different economic situations. It's really hard to see where people are going to sell and buy. Obviously, according to the Ortex data, last run we had, there was some people selling, in which I do not blame. People have to lock in profits. If you don't, what's the point of being in the markets? That's much it for this video. If you guys did find this video helpful, make sure you slap a like, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Peace out, team.